How to get refund on Temu without returning. The very first thing you want to do is to check the Temu refund policy. You can check them if your order lies under the Temu refund policy. You can apply these processes to get a refund without returning the item. So what you need to do is open your application Temu and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on New at the bottom. Scroll all the way down and you'll find the option of customer support. Head over to it. And then tap on Contact Us at the bottom. Now here you need to type on "Can I get a refund?" or "I need a refund." Once you have sent the text, this message will pop up. Well, from this Temu application, I haven't made any purchase or order. That's why right over here it says your current account has not yet successfully placed an order on Temu. But for you, if you have placed an order, different message will pop up, where you will need to select the order that you need the refund. After you select the order, you can have the conversation with Temu customer service. You can state the reason why you want the refund and about the product details. After you give the details about your product and explain the reason why you want to get a refund, and if the Temu agrees with that, you will get the refund without returning the item. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how you can get a refund on Temu without returning. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.